Was it 150 lately? Oh my god.
So what is the next course about?
Thanks. That's only different.
And cheaper.
Yeah, but yeah, I know that. They're both different value.
Yeah, no.
No, just that's it. Yeah, no meat.
밥 먹고 알았어 나중에. And you do that buy one get one free. You have to.
Look at the HeyTea, so packed tonight. They got a buy one get one free. If you bring a ball for soccer kind of like deal, then you get a free tea with it. So you buy one, you get one free ticket, tea. So HeyTea, the bubble tea is popular anyway. So it adds to the popularity of the bubble tea. If you get a free bubble tea, it's like pretty insane, pretty awesome. So yeah, such a good deal, very good deal. So they're going to be going all night here. They're going to have this lot of crowd, big crowd, probably all day it was. I'm just guessing, but probably. This is definitely very lively over here today.
走呗。还有区别。拿我菜，这个旁边有灯区。你跟着我去的。
Yeah, it's pretty wild here today. Such great weather. Wow, so the line is all the way back there now. Wow. This is insane. I've never seen a line this long here for the HeyTea. Wow. Crazy. So you get the meat fresh over here, and the line is like back here to the meat fresh. Wow, so insane. Very insane. So that's the line right there. Wild. Crazy, long, long line. Pretty wild, pretty wild. Yeah, great weather. So why not stand outside today? The weather is great. Super awesome weather. Pretty wild. You got Molly Tea over here, which today isn't so jumping because of the buy one get one free at the HeyTea. Mango is not as busy as usual. Everybody's at HeyTea, but there is some people in there. Let's go swing over by the Molly Tea.
And then, what was it? Other states used to buy homeless people a one-way ticket.
So yeah, because of the HeyTea deal, Molly Tea, it's working if they're in competition. Molly Tea's kind of slow today, but it's okay. Nice and cool in here. Coming through? No problem. Okay. Yeah, so pretty crazy. Direct competition with bubble teas. Definitely in direct competition right now. All right, so all right, thanks for tuning in. Good times here at Festival Plaza. Let's do a time check. It's 8:16 p.m. Let's do a quick weather check. 75 degrees. Wow. Awesome. Very nice weather tonight. Okay. All right. See you in the next one.